Hello everybody. It seems we have some time before our plane is ready for boarding, so we thought it would be a good opportunity to show you our new collection of duffels. We called it Dr. Duffel. There's 5 sizes. This is the 70 liter. The 110 is down there. The 30 liter right here. The 40 liter, which is exactly cabin size luggage. And the 2 liter meant as an accessory bag or toilet bag. It has a very clean design made of very robust materials, Cordura fabrics, YKK zippers. So the 70 liter here, it has a couple cool features. So you can use the traditional way, using the handles here. If the bag is heavy, there's the side handles here to throw it in your car. And if you like or plan to hike a little longer, you take out the shoulder straps, attach them properly, and can really comfortably carry the duffel around. There's a big pocket here on the side. It's padded, so it's perfect for your laptop or your tablet. There's a side opening right here, which gives you access to the main compartment. Now I get to the part why we called it Dr. Duffel. I think everybody knows the old doctor bags from the past. And we just extended this old idea to a new concept of duffels. It allows you to open the bag in a very majestic way. The liner is bright. We use a self-standing principle with foams on the side panels. There's 4 pockets inside that allows you to really organize your stuff and overview everything that's inside. Before you board your plane, the 70 liter and the 110 liter, you can secure it a little extra with this hook here so that it doesn't get stuck on the luggage belt. You can use a small padlock to close it, and then you're ready to go.